Life is a puzzle, billions of years in the making. At its core lies a simple yet profound truth: DNA. This tiny molecule, invisible to the naked eye, carries the instructions for every living thing on Earth. For centuries, humanity marveled at its complexity, wondering if we could ever decipher its secrets. And now we have gone beyond understanding it. We are rewriting it. Welcome to the age of genetic engineering. So, what exactly is genetic engineering? Imagine you're an editor, not of words, but of life itself. You can cut, paste, or rewrite specific parts of DNA to change how a plant grows, how a disease progresses, or even how an animal behaves. With tools like CRISPR-Cas9, this isn't science fiction. It's science fact. It's like having a pair of molecular scissors, so precise that they can target and edit a single letter in the genetic code. The implications are staggering. In medicine, genetic engineering is a game changer. Take gene therapy, for example. It allows us to replace defective genes to treat diseases like cystic fibrosis or sickle cell anemia. Think about this. Children who once faced a lifetime of suffering are now living full, healthy lives because we've corrected the problem at its source, their DNA. During the COVID-19 pandemic, genetic engineering gave us mRNA vaccines in record time. These vaccines taught our bodies how to fight the virus using a snippet of its genetic material. This technology is now being adapted to combat cancer and other diseases. We're not just treating symptoms anymore. We're curing diseases, we're saving lives. The global population is growing, and with it the demand for food. The science of gene editing is helping us meet this challenge. Crops are being modified to resist pests, survive droughts, and provide enhanced nutrition. This wheat, for instance, can thrive in arid regions where traditional crops would fail. And then there's golden rice, engineered to combat vitamin A deficiency. For millions of children in developing countries, this isn't just food, it's life-saving nutrition. Imagine a future where no one goes hungry. Not because we've grown more food, but because we've grown better food. The science of gene editing isn't just about people. It's about the planet. Scientists are designing microbes that can digest oil spills, plants that absorb more carbon dioxide, and even bacteria that break down plastics. We're turning nature's smallest workers into our greatest allies, cleaning up the mess humanity has made. But the most controversial frontier is human genetic engineering. Imagine a world where we can eliminate genetic disorders before a baby is even born, where we can enhance intelligence, strength, or lifespan. It sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But it's closer than you think. While the benefits are extraordinary, so are the risks. Could this lead to designer babies, where only the wealthy can afford genetic enhancements? Could we accidentally create new diseases while trying to cure old ones? These are the questions we must answer. With great power comes great responsibility. The ethics of genetic engineering spark heated debates. Should we edit the genes of future generations? Who decides which traits are desirable and which aren't? These aren't just scientific questions, they're moral ones. We must tread carefully, ensuring that this technology serves humanity without creating inequality or unforeseen consequences. Engineering the genes of tomorrow is as limitless as our imagination. We could eradicate diseases like cancer with gene drives, create bioengineered materials to replace plastics, even grow human organs for transplants. But the most exciting aspect of this journey is not just what we can create, it's who we can become. Genetic engineering is more than a scientific field. It's a mirror reflecting our values, our hopes, and our fears. It's a tool that could heal the planet, feed its people, and cure its diseases. But it's also a test of our wisdom and restraint. The power to rewrite life is in our hands. The question is, what story will we tell?